You're welcome to Maths Olympiad class, and this is another kind of special logarithms. Let us see how best we can be able to break all of them down and find the value for all this. So they say evaluate log 3 base 2 all over log 9 base 4 plus log 4 base 3 all over log 16 base 9 plus log 2 base 4 all over log 4 base 16. If you can be able to handle this, I would like you to try to pause the video. But if you can't, let's see how to do it. Even if you can't, let's see how I can use my approach. But I would like you to let me know the approach you think would have been better. Maybe different for the one I'm applying, because I know a lot of mathematicians are watching this channel. Well, let's start with the first one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break the first one. This one, I'm going to break the same down. Let's see how it is. So I'm going to have log 9 base 4. And this is I'm going to change the base. I'm going to have log 9 base 2 all over log 4 base 2. This is going to be the same thing as log. Let's part issue. Base 2 all over 2. Now, this is something as say 2 log 3 base 2 over 2. This cancels to have log 3 base 3. I hope you understood, because there is a change of base rule or technique which we usually like to apply, and you have to use it. If you have log 9 base 4, it can be written separately as log 9's numerator and base 4 the denominator. But you can choose any other base of your choice that can help you simplify it better. I know that 2 will be better. That is why I'm choosing 2. Then I have log 3 base 2 at the end. Then, if I go back to what I had, I'm going to have this. So then have log 3 base 2 on the log 3 base 2, then plus log 4 base 3, and then log 16 base 9, then plus log 2 base 4 all over log 4 base 16. Now this divide is safe, so I have 1. So this is going to be plus log 4 base 3 over log. Just the patient can follow like that, plus log 2 base 4 and then log 4 16. Now, I think I have another job. The job I'm going to do now is to break this one down as well. So let's go. So I'm having log 60 base 9, which is need to be called to log 16 base 2 on the log 9 base 2. This is going to be log. I said, so just put it as log 4. This is going to be log. Then it keep breaking log 2. This is 4 base 2. And the log 3 spot 3 base 2. It is going to be the same as before. Log 2 base 3 all over 2 log 3 base 2. So, and where do I have there? So everything here is going to, this can say 1, this can say this is 2. This is 2. Okay, since everything is in base 2, okay, I can decide to say that this is the same as 2, so I'm going to have log 2 base log 2. This particular power is going up here, so I'm going to have both of the log, and that should be log 3 base t. But if you check this very well, you see that this is going to be the same as log 4 all over log 3. This is log 4 over log 3, which can be the same thing as log 4 base 3. That is it. That is what I was trying to figure out, because I decided to abandon the base and go with base 10. Can be base 10 distance is base 10 as well. You understand what I use? So I decided to go with base 10 because the base did not play any major part for me here. So that is why. And whenever you have a log, that base simply means that it's log base 10. So at the end of the whole thing, I'm having log 4 base 3. So going back to tonight, log 4 base 3 and also log 4 base 3. So this is also going to be 1. This bicep is going to be 1. So I'm going to have 1 as well. So I'm going to have this. I'm going to have 1 plus 1, then plus. The next I'm going to have is this. So I'm going to have now 16. So I'm going to have log 4 base 16. Now let's continue. So I'm going to have log first one to be log. So I'm going to have log 2 base 4 over log 4 base 2, log 4 base 16. So, and this is going to be, if I break this down, you're going to have all this thing. Now 2 base 4 is the what? It's going to be its old x is one of the 2. This is going to be the x is at 1 and at 2. So log 2 base 4 is 1 over 2. Somewhere log 4 base 16 is still going to be 1 under 2. So everything now I'm going to have is everything going to be 1 plus half, because plus half. Okay, sorry, let me clear that out in there. So 1 over 2, because I got 1 over 2. That I'm going to have 2 plus 1. So everything, this question, everything here is 3. Thank you for being part of this class, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video, and also tell me the best way you would have liked to follow them and have a list.